Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about posting on Reddit. Let's get started. If you want to market on Reddit, you need to post content on the platform. Redditors need to see your content and read them. Take note that on Reddit, your posts won't be seen by your friends or followers. Posts are showed to communities or subreddits. This can be confusing to new Reddit users who haven't posted anything yet on the platform. Before you post content, you need to know the proper way to post content on Reddit. You can post content using links, and you can also post written content for Redditors. For posts using links, you can share blogs, articles, images, or even video links. This is useful if you want to redirect people to your website. To post content, just go to your profile, click My Profile, then you'll see the button New Post under your profile karma. Click on the button and you'll see the post editor where you can start typing the post that you want to share. You can also use the pen icon in this section to create a post. To share images on Reddit, you can upload a photo from your drive, or you can make use of another website to upload the image and share the link on your post. Go to imgur.com and create an account. Click on the sign up button and you can see that you can register with your Facebook, Twitter, Apple, Google, or Yahoo accounts. Choose one account that you can use to register. When you register using your Facebook, you'll be redirected to your Facebook account and just click the Continue As button. You need to authenticate your Facebook account. Now set the username that you will use for this website. Then click the I'm not a robot checkbox. Then click Continue. Click the Agree button and you can now upload a photo on this website. Click Add Images. Then browse the image from your drive. Now the image is uploaded on our ImageUR account. Click on the image and you'll see the image links here. Choose one and click Copy. You can see here that you can share this on Reddit. If you share it, it would be easy to post this image on your account. You don't have to copy it on the editor. As you can see, the image URL is already here. This will be posted with the shared link of the image. Now let's try to upload an image from our drive. From this section, click on the image icon so that you can add an image from your drive. Then choose the image that you want to upload. Now the image is shown here. Input the title, then add a caption below the image. Below you can see buttons to add. OC means original content, and this tags your post as your own, and you can get credit for this post as people share them. Now click Post. Take note that you can no longer edit the title once you post it. Now we've submitted a new post. You may notice that this post will be seen by a few Redditors, since I have not shared this with a subreddit. You must share this content with one of the subreddits that you are a part of so that people can see this post. Choose the subreddit. To share an image or video, click this icon and the Upload button. Then choose the media that you want to upload from your drive. Input the title. Now click Post. To share a written text post, click the Post tab and write your text in the section. Now once you're done, click Post. If you try to upload an image or a video, then compose your text under the Post tab, you will notice that only the written text is displayed as you post this. This is because Reddit will only allow you to post content as written text, an image or a video, and a link. This post shows the photo of a post which this user shared with a link from imageur.com. Now let's try to post using the link. Click the Link tab, then copy the image URL, then click Post. Now this is how it will look like when you share a link. Now that you know about posting on Reddit, we can now proceed to the next topic. What is a karma? I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.